Our future is driven by the ability to bring people and communities together in ways that enable each to prosper. At Acro Bridge, our guiding philosophy is to use our bridging solutions to serve and connect people and communities around the world. Headquartered just outside New York City, Acro Bridge specializes in the design, manufacture, and supply of prefabricated modular steel bridges. We've been a world leader in the industry for over 60 years, delivering our bridging solutions to over 80 countries across the globe. We have extensive experience on the African continent, with project deliveries to more than 20 countries in the region. Ranging from bridge deliveries in support of international institutions like the United Nations and World Bank, to major finance bridge development programs designed and implemented in collaboration with African governments. Examples of these programs on the continent include projects in Ghana and Angola, where Acro delivered over 350 bridges, all assembled and installed by local engineers and technicians trained by the Acro team. In addition to our commitment to local skills capacity building, Acro also arranges the financing for these important projects. In Tanzania, Acro partnered with the National Roads Agency to provide 3 single-lane bridges in support of USAID's Feed the Future program. The Acro bridges, designed to include pedestrian footwalks, were installed near the village of Ifakara, about 350 kilometers southwest of Dar es Salaam. A key feature of the project was the extensive training Acro provided to the Tanzanian engineers, technicians, and contractors in the assembly, installation, and maintenance of the Acro bridges.
From the center, that'll be fine.
The training begins in the classroom, where trainees first acquaint themselves with the Acro bridge components, then learn the basics on site preparation, assembly, launch methodologies, positioning techniques, driving surface installation, and final commissioning of the bridge. The training then moves to the construction site, where Acro's technicians guide the trainees in the safe implementation of the methods covered in the classroom. Ifakara sits just beyond the Mikumi National Park and the Udzungwa Mountains in a beautiful region of Tanzania. The abundant farmland shows the promise of expanded agricultural development. Large, heavy trucks frequent the underdeveloped roads, carrying heavy loads of rice, corn, bananas, and other crops. Deeper into the Tanzanian countryside, the roads are bustling with action, from children walking home from school to small-scale farmers biking their crops to the next village, to large-scale farm operations moving their goods for broader distribution. In Tanzania, agricultural development is a critical source of employment and essential to the broader aims of diverse and sustainable economic development. The local communities all benefit directly from the economic growth that is supported with improved infrastructure, and Acro bridges can play an important role in achieving these goals. The modular design of the Acro bridge allows for easy assembly and installation with minimal heavy equipment. Construction starts with the placement and leveling of the rollers, which will facilitate the eventual launch of the bridge. The launching nose is then built, which allows the bridge to extend across the gap while maintaining the center of gravity safely behind the home abutment. Truss panels are lifted into place via crane or even simple manpower, and pins are pounded in to connect and secure the panels and reinforcing cords as the crew builds out the structural framework for their bridging solution. As each section of the bridge is assembled, it is partially pushed across the gap until the launching nose gains contact with the rollers on the far abutment. Every installation is unique. Crews are trained in problem solving with the hands-on supervision of an on-site Acro technician. Acro bridges are strong and durable, made of American steel and manufactured to the highest international quality standards. Each component is galvanized, ensuring a service life of 75 years or more. Upon completion, the trainees earn certification in the assembly, installation, and maintenance of Acro bridges. And the local National Roads Agency now has teams of technicians qualified to assist in the development of bridge projects across the region. Acro's bridge project in Tanzania builds on a decades-long legacy of partnership with communities across the continent, helping connect people to schools, hospitals, and economic opportunity. From Angola to Ghana, to Tanzania and beyond, from small rural bridges to large bridge development programs, Acro's bridging solutions provide safe and reliable passage, connecting people and businesses to the opportunities that enrich their lives and expand their personal prosperity, now and into the future.